In the last episode, we built a facility booking app using just one prompt. But booking a facility is only half the story. Booking a facility is easy, but keeping it running, not so much. When facilities are in use, things wear out, break down, and need constant attention. And these issues are usually managed through emails, calls, and spreadsheets. In this episode, we're building a facility maintenance application to manage company facilities like meeting rooms, lunch halls, vehicle parking, and more. And again, using just one prompt. Here's what we're asking Zia to build. A facility maintenance system that can add and manage company assets, equipment, materials, handle job orders, and provide 360-degree visibility through reports, charts, and more. In seconds, the backend comes together. Asset registries, inventory, work order tracking, staff records, workflows, role-based access, and integrations. Everything is generated automatically, and if you're not happy with the use cases, you can always generate new ones or add your own requirements. And our app is ready. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. The app is organized into dedicated modules and forms, each designed to manage a core area of facility maintenance. A work order module to track maintenance tasks from initiation to completion, including breakdown repairs, scheduled upkeep, and condition updates. An assets form to access a centralized registry for all physical assets from machinery and equipment to vehicles and building systems. An inventory module to manage storehouses and building locations, check asset availability, and detect used parts when work orders are completed. And finally, the staff module to maintain up-to-date records for technicians and labor, and store contracts, service level agreements, legal documents, and much more. So now, Zia has built us a prototype to get us started. From here, you can customize the app to match your company's specific requirements either by using Zia's AI or by building on top of it yourself. The prompt we use is right there in the description to give you a head start. Just drop the same prompt into Zoho Creator or take the lead and write a custom prompt of your own.